Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yo Auto A1. This torch, flamethrower, whatever you want to call it, you gonna need it. Scotty Kilmer recommended me to this, and the best $30 you can ever spend. If you know, you know. It's that boat. For about 3 days I was spraying this thing, couldn't get it out, not moving, nothing. Alright, the plus, the minus, heat it up, and then hit the red button in the back. Turn on. Leave it on for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just make sure that boat hot. Watch out with gloves, because it's gonna be hot. And it's gonna come right out, knock it out like butter. You're probably gonna have to pull on a little bit, jiggle it out, wiggle it out, get it out. Swerving, serving, sliding, glide all over the place.